Hello children, welcome to class 5. Today we are going to start a new topic, adverb. In previous class we studied about articles. Today we are going to study about adverbs. So before I'll start, I want to know from you all what is an adverb. Any idea? Have you ever heard about these words? Adverb. So tell me what is an adverb. Then we'll go ahead. So an adverb is a word that is used to change or modify or qualify several types of word, including an adjective, a verb, a clause, or another adverb. Or you can say adverb provides a description of how, when, in what manner, and to what extent something is done or happened. That is called an adverb. And if you will say in simpler words, you can say an adverb tells us more about the verb, adjective, or other adverbs in the sentences. Okay, so this is the definition of adverb. Let's move ahead. So in parts of speech, adverb plays an important role. Okay, so we'll see what kind of role adverb plays in a sentence. Basically, most, as I said in the beginning, most adverbs tells us about how, where, when something is happened or something done. In other words, it describes manner, place, time, or the intensity. That also tells us. Okay. So now commonly adverb, how it is formed, as you can make out from the word adverb. So it means it is formed from the adjectives. Mostly it is formed from the adjectives. Okay. So it always modify verb also. Now, mostly what happens, as I said in the previous slide, that mostly adverb is formed from the adjectives, and here you can see few examples. Like kind is an adjective, but the moment we will change into adverb, it will become kindly. Happy will convert as happily. Wonderful will be wonderfully. Loud will be loudly. Then sad, sadly. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. Understood? So when we studied adjective, we studied such kind of a word. So whenever we need to change adjective into adverb, mostly we add, through this you can understand, mostly we add ly, not always, but most of the time. Many adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to the adjective. As you can see in the previous slide, the moment we add ly to the word, it changes into adverb. Adjective converted into adverb. But here I am going to give you one example. Just listen that sentence, the sentence I am telling you, how adverbs matters, why it is important in a sentence. The moment I will tell you, you will understand. I am telling you one sentence, simple sentence, and see the interesting way you can understand. If I said the dog run, so the moment I can say dog run, you can think about a dog who is running. You can imagine a picture of a dog who is running, but you don't really know much more about the scene or the intensity or the speed, the way the dog is running. Okay, but if I said the dog ran excitedly, here The moment I said the dog run excitedly, so you can imagine how the dog was behaving. The dog behavior of a dog you can imagine. You can imagine a picture where the dog is running, wagging its tail, patting happily, panting happily, and what? Looking glad to see its own master. So the word excitedly helped you to imagine how the dog was running. But when I said the dog runs, the dog run, so in that case you were unable to imagine how it was running. The clear picture was not clear. But the moment I have added an adverb, you can imagine so many things. So adverb helps, it modifies the verb. And what was the verb here? Run. Okay. So some word that ends in ly are not adverbs. It is not always that the moment you will add ly to a word it will become adverb, or the moment you will see a word ly word it means it is an adverb. Of course mostly it happens but not always. Like Sam was feeling very lonely. These are the example where it is not used as an adverb. Okay. She was wearing a lovely dress. Okay. Then it was a very lively party. So these are the example. These are the example of adverbs which ends with ly. Can you see? In the previous slide I told you that you can convert adjectives by adding ly to the word and it will become adverb. But there are few adjectives which ends with ly. So don't get confused. Some words are not, all words are not, all ly words are not adverbs. Okay? Next. Now we'll discuss one by one. We are going to discuss the kinds of adverbs. Now adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of purpose or reason. Then we'll discuss adverb of degree. Okay, so these are the adverbs which we are going to discuss in the lesson. But first of all, you should understand how to identify. So what is an adverb of manner? Adverb of manner describes in which manner an action is done, how it has happened. Okay, so whenever you will see the word describe which, it means we are talking about adverb of manner. Or whenever we discuss about how the action takes place, in that case we are discussing about adverb of manner. When we are talking about adverb of place, it means it describes where the action has taken place. So it tells you the place where. In the sentence you are able to find out the answer where. So whenever you will the word is describing, it describes the place, you will get the answer of where. When we are talking about adverb of time, it means it talks about when the action takes place. It will tell you the time, day, night, morning, evening, today, yesterday, when. What was the time when the action takes place. So adverb of time tells us when it happened, whenever the action has taken place. Then frequency. When we are talking about frequency, it means how often or how many times whatever action has happened, what was the frequency, how many times it happens or how often it happens, twice a day or 3 times a day or daily. So it tells about the frequency. Okay, number of time or how often. Then reason means the purpose of action, why these actions have taken place. Okay, then we will discuss about degree. Degree means quantity, degree means the intensity, the extent, what is the intensity, Have you heard about earthquake? So when we talk about earthquake, we talk about the intensity, the power. Okay, so here we are talking about the extent, the intensity of the action. So this shows how much or in what degree or to what extent it has happened. Then negative, which says if it is yes or no. If it is such kind of answer you will get, negative or affirmations. But you don't have to. These are the types of adverb, but you don't have to study affirmation or negative the adverb. Okay. So shall we move ahead? Till here I hope it is clear. So we studied about what is an adverb. Adverb is a word which tells us about the verb, adjective or an adverb in a sentence. Okay, and all ly words are not adverbs. That also we studied. Then we studied how most of the adverbs are formed from the adjectives. Adjectives are converted into adverb. How we are converting? By adding ly to the words. Now, first of all, we will discuss about adverb of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. As I said in the beginning, adverb of place tells us where the action has taken place. So it will tell you the place where it has happened. They are called adverb of place. Okay, so whenever we discuss, so you will find out in the sentence, you will find out the position, the location where the action has taken place. Okay, so it tells where the action takes place. In some adverb of place, like I can give you example, here, there, everywhere, somewhere, inside, outside, near, far, such kind of a words are telling us about the action, the place where the action has taken place. Okay, so whenever you are getting such kind of an answer, it means we are talking about adverb of place. You can see few examples over here. The boys are playing upstairs. Where the children are playing? The boys are playing where? Upstairs. So this upstairs is adverb of place. The dog is in the garden. Where is the dog? In the garden. So here the dog is in the garden, so it is telling about the place. Where are they? Where is the dog? We are going to New York City on our school trip. So where they are going? Which place are they going? They are going to New York City. So here we are talking about the place. It is very sunny but cold outside. So again, where? Outside. Inside it's fine, but outside it is very cold. So here these all words, upstairs, in the garden, to New York, or outside, all these words are adverbs of place. Hope it is clear. If I said Hampi is far from Delhi, so the word far is describing the adverb of place. Okay, if I said is there anybody inside? It means I am talking about is there anyone inside the house or inside the room or anywhere. So this word inside again is a adverb of place. Somewhere is also adverb of place. Near, far, everywhere, such kind of words are adverb of place. Okay. Then there another example. See this. I have lived here for about 2 years. So here means again it is talking about a place. Okay. English and German are closely related. How it is related? Closely. Okay. Is Mark still bad? So all these things are talking about the adverb of place. Then next is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner, as I said in the beginning, it tells you how it happens. If somebody is singing, how the person is singing, sweetly, nicely, carefully, beautifully. So such kind of words are adverb of manner. So it is very easy to identify adverb of manner. Most of the sentence, the moment you will find ly words, immediately you will identify that those words are adverb of manners. Okay, how you will identify adverb of place? When you will see some a word like somewhere, near, far, inside, outside, you will come to know that it is talking about adverb of place when you are getting answer where. But adverb of manner, when we are finding how it is singing, he is singing, or how it looks, so you will come to know adverb of manner. Some adverb and adverb phrases describes the way people do things, how they are doing things. In that case, we are discussing about adverb of manner. Okay, so how action, whenever you are getting the answer of how the action has been done, or how the action is done, you immediately you will come to know that it is talking about adverb of manner. Now, see a few examples. The girl answered the questions correctly. How she has given the answer? Correctly. So, adverb of manner is correctly, because how? Correctly. Then he was driving carelessly. How he was driving? Carelessly. So, careless is an adjective, and the moment we have add ly word, it has become adverb. So, carelessly. The plane landed safely. How it has landed? Safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. How he was playing? He plays a guitar skillfully. So all these words are adverb of manner. It is talking about how. An adverb, okay. Another example. If I said the lion roared loudly. So how did the lion roar? It roared loudly. So here we are talking about the lion sound, how it roared. My father drives carefully. So here how my father drives a car? Carefully. Okay. So whenever we are talking such kind of a thing, it means we are talking, or whenever you will find such kind of a word in the sentence, it means we are talking about adverb of manner. Okay. See the example. They watched carefully. The flowers was beautifully made. How it was made? Beautifully. She seemed faintly. The team played wonderfully. So all these are ly words, okay, which are adverb of manner. Now, till here, any doubt if you have, you can ask. So we discussed today about adverb of place, adverb of manner, okay, and in this till here it is clear that we have discussed what is an adverb. Okay, so shall we move ahead? Now, adverb of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrase answer the question how often an action is done. So they are called adverb of frequency. So how often? Might be always, might be never, daily. So such kind of words are adverbs of frequency. Okay. Adverbs of frequency tells us how often. So it takes place. Some adverb of frequencies are, I am giving you few examples. Few are written over here. Always, never, every day, twice a day. These are frequency. Apart from that, seldom, usually, sometimes, always, as I said in the sentence also, the example is there. So all these words are adverbs of frequency. So here are few examples. The children always go to the school on the bus. How they go? Always. I will never make that mistake again. So here again never. I will not do such mistake again. So here never is a adverb of frequency. Then I clear my bedroom every day. I clean my bedroom every day. Again we are talking about frequency. When you are how you are cleaning, how often? Every day. So this is the frequency. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. How many times in a week? Twice a week. So when we are talking about such thing, it means we are talking about adverb of frequency. We are talking about how often the action has taken place or action is done. One more example I want to give you. Sir is never late for the school. So how often, Sri is never late for the school. So how often Sri comes late? Never. Okay. So he never comes late to the school. Then if I said they are best friend and they always go to school together. So where is the adverb of frequency over here? Always. Very good. Then if I said this is one of the dirtiest place in the country, it rarely rains here. This is one of the driest place in the country, it rarely rains here. So here where is the frequency? Is it driest or rarely? What will be? So rarely is the frequency. Okay. So these are the word which explains the frequency. How often the action is done. Okay. Till here I hope it is clear. So what we studied, let's have a quick recap till here. So we studied about what is an adverb. So adverb is a word which describes what? Which tells us more about an adjective or an adverb or other adverbs in a sentence. Okay. So few examples, the cat purrs happily. Then happily is a word which tells about, and purr is a verb. So it talks about the verb. It is telling more about a verb. Then if I said the lake is almost empty, so empty is an adjective and almost is an adverb. So here it is talking about an adjective. So adverb tells us about the verb, more about the verb, more about adjectives and more about adverbs. Okay, how? Like if I said adverb and I am telling you Tara pick up her puppy very gently. So gently is a word which is an adverb, and when the moment I have added very, it means I am talking more about the adverb. So these are the way through which you can see the use of adverb, where how the adverb describes a verb, an adjective or other adverbs. Okay. Then we discuss the types of adverb. Okay. Then we discuss how to modify adjective to adverb. So what we did, we have added ly to the word to convert it into adjectives. Okay. Then we discuss about adverb of types of adverb. In that we discuss adverb of manner, place, time, frequency, reason, then degree and then negative. Then we discuss about adverb of place, where it has the work has been done. Then we discuss about adverb of manner, and then we discuss about adverb of frequency. Okay, so for till here we have completed today. Tomorrow we will move ahead, but before we close the class, you have some homework. Do page number lesson 11 adverbs, page number 63, section A. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverb from the box below. This work you all will be doing in your textbook, grammar textbook, which is on page number 63A. Okay, lesson number 11, adverbs. Okay, till then, goodbye.